fuck up. Either fight or get in your car and move. Jesus Christ, Texas is a mess. Shit, bro, I'm just really coming down now. God damn. Thank God I ain't start driving. Turn off traction control?
Yeah.
Yeah? Traction control's off? Yeah? Sometimes you gotta just, I don't know, spin the tires. Because when traction control's on, it'll try to spin different axles. You know what I mean? And if you turn it off, it'll spin all the tires at once.
I don't know.
You don't understand?
Yeah.
Here, I'll show you the button.
Okay.
Here, look. The traction control. Go ahead, try. See? Now try. Just spin it. Fuck. Maybe a little bit on this side, a little bit on the other side. In deep shit. Look at this. This is all in the past 24 hours. Now my man over here is stuck. I'm helping him try to get out because if he doesn't get out, I'm definitely gonna be stuck. See how deep? We're not playing. This is crazy out here, boys. We stuck in a snowstorm. It's real life. No bullshit. No fucking bullshit. Stuck out here in a freaking snowstorm. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do, Vibes. I want to help him out because if he can't get out, no telling how I'm gonna get out tomorrow. It's supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow for like 6 more hours tonight. We already stuck. It's just crazy, bro. 5 degrees outside, snowing non-stop that past day and a half. That's why it's so packed. I just cleared my tires away, but as you can see, there's still some frozen snow right here, see? It's all frozen, see? It's in the ice blocks. See, I just got it away. That's good. That's what I gotta do. See, all that's frozen. Spin it, keep spinning it. Yep. There we go. There we go. he's getting out. Hopefully. We'll see. Hopefully he can make it out. There he goes. Hopefully that man's safe on the road, because he was stuck in that snow, man. Good job, buddy. Mission successful, vibes. We helped them out. That's all it's about, baby. Helping people out of sticky situations. You dig what I'm saying? Super sticky, man. God damn. Hopefully tomorrow we have better luck than him and we can get the hell out of here. Let's go.
The next day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We made it to the promised land. Haha. Yeah, Vibe, you know we had to make the stop. I had cashed out on Buc-ee's. You know how it is. Now back to the truck. Well, Vibes, it was a successful stop at Buc-ee's, I say. But hey, you know, you got to cherish all the good days and all the good moments while you can, because they don't always last forever. So, you know, with that being said, you just got to be thankful for every little thing in your life that happens, because you never know when things can get bad or when things can be good. And when things are bad, they don't always stay bad. You know, everything is temporary. Pain is temporary. Good times are temporary. Here we go, Vibes. I fixed the blurriness. My hair's all frizzy, but hey, at least we got the Buc-ee's, you know? Got the bag, headed back to the truck. Had a long day, but now we're gonna have a good night. So, thankful for it. You know, been going through a lot of mental things, but it's always good to stay vigilant and keep your mind, keep your head on a swivel. Damn, that's a flat ass tire. God damn. Well, at least they're stopping at Buc-ee's. But yeah, Vibes. It's all about keeping your mind straight and always looking forward, having faith, you know. God is great. And as long as you look up to him and keep faith in your heart and understand that times will get better when hard times come, nothing will stop you from persevering, you know. You gotta always stay one step ahead of your pain and of your progress. Because even when things are going good, everything is temporary. Just always remember to, you know, keep a good outlook on life and nothing will stop you, you know. There's a lot that goes through people's heads all the time. You know, people can get lost in themselves, lost in their thoughts, lost in their feelings. But it's all about keeping a good mindset, keeping a strong mind, and believing and having faith. Because I'm telling you, God loves you more than anybody ever will. Never give up on anything. You know, always follow through to the end. No matter what it is, I promise it'll be worth it one day in the end. If you have a vision, attack it, go for it. And don't let nobody tell you any different. Don't let nobody tell you you're crazy. Don't let nobody tell you you're stupid. You might be crazy. But everybody who had a big vision was crazy to some people. Until they weren't. You just got to keep going. Don't let nothing stop you. Because life will test you. The devil will test you. He'll give you obstacles to make you feel like quitting, to make you feel like giving up. It's up to you in your mind to give into it or keep going. It's up to you to prove all the doubters wrong. It's up to you to prove your own doubts and thoughts in your head and tell yourself you can or you won't or any of these things. It's all up to you. Everything in your life is up to you. If you're in a bad position right now, it's up to you to get yourself out. If you're in a good position, it's because of the decisions you made to put yourself there. Until you realize that everything in your life is your fault, whether it's good or bad. And you take accountability for that and figure out what you're going to do about it. That's when you'll prosper. That's when you'll be successful. That's when you'll overcome whatever it is you're facing. Take full accountability for your life and continue to progress and never let anything keep you down, because there's going to be down times. There's going to be times where you see no way out, times when you feel like giving up. But it's up to you to keep going. It's up to you to never stop and overcome anything, because anything is possible. Anything is possible through God. Anything is possible through relentless effort. You can't let nothing stop you in this life. You're in charge. It's your life, nobody else's. So anyway, Bob, I'm about back to the truck, back to the loves. About to take my happy ass in the truck. Have a good night.
Like when it rain, that shit gon' fucking pour. I don't want that shit, I don't need the oil.